Hi, Zenayda. This is Denise. How are you doing? Let's read another story, okay? We'll take turns. I'll read it first and then you read it. Alex Likes Noise, written by Ian Harth. Alex lived in a city. He loved the city sounds. Horns beat and buses roared. Doors slammed and tires squealed. People talked and children laughed. We're moving to the farm, Dad said. Alex was sad. I will miss the city. The country will be too quiet. Alex and Dad drove to the country. Alex stood outside. He listened. Frogs croaked and birds tweeted. Horses whinnied and cows mooed. Chickens clucked and ducks quacked. Alex smiled. The country isn't quiet at all. Zenayda, did you like all the sounds of the city and the country? Okay, the story's over, so I'll talk to you later.